This is Cloudy, by the way. I had to cut it in 2 parts. This is Cloudy. And this is Cloudy's sister. Oh, it's so cute. And she has a tiara. That is so cute. I changed her name, and her name is Marshmallow. So this is really cute, I have to say. And we're going to also make an outdoor enclosure with a bunch of trees. And we'll also see, this is a tree. So, and then you can close the chest. And then peekaboo, she comes out. This is a trash can to sweep away the cat litter. This is the cat litter thing to sweep away it. This is the cat brush to brush the cat. See? And then these ball-like thingies over there are the cat toys and stuff. Some of the cat toys. So you can basically just brush the cats. And this is a sleepy. This is Sleepy Kit. And Sleepy Kit, so yeah. And they're very playful. They like chasing and hunting squirrels like this guy. So sometimes they play tag. Sometimes they try to actually hunt them and they do. So, okay, this is also cool. But this is the most obese cat in the world. Well, it's pretty cute. It should lose some of its weight. Look what the size it is to a cat. A person. A grown 5-foot person. And then this is tiny. This tiny guy. Tiny girl over there. They're really cute. Oh, there's even a lipstick. No one needs lipstick. Anyway. There's also some microphones. I've turned them into little ball thingies for cats. So just put them here. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there like this. See? And then they can be used. Squirrel chase! This is fun. So yeah, that's the cat stuff. We're even gonna do an outdoor enclosure too, like with these leaves and stuff. So that is what we have. And see, the cats can be put in the bed. One is green to a pink. This one has like something where the cat can sit on. And then this where the cat can lay down. And other stuff. They also have other cat stuff. And so I'm going to see you later, but wait. I'm going to show you something else too. This. It's a train set like for cats and stuff. It's a forest, but I definitely didn't finish the whole thing. And there's like wood everywhere. It's just supposed to be grass. So yeah. And this is Croupy the Creeper from Minecraft. Building a lot of things in Minecraft. And there's a cat simulator too. So, anyway, See you later.